Reuters.
After much hype, Google debuts its long-awaited answer to the iPhone, the G1 carrying the new Android operating platform. Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin even dropped by to give the Manhattan launch an extra bit of buzz. But the real star, Google hopes, will be the G1 made by HTC and unveiled by T-Mobile. The mobile provider is the first, but likely not the last, to integrate the internet giant's Linux-based open-source operating system into a handset. Like the iPhone, the G1 has a touchscreen, but it also incorporates a keyboard as well as Wi-Fi capabilities. Rich Miner, Google's group manager for mobile platforms.
You know, one of the issues with building these smartphone platforms is that the bill of materials, the cost to build a phone, has started to become not really the hardware, but all the software pieces. Android's going to reset that. It's really lowering the price of all of that software into this one open source component.
Like Apple, Google is luring developers to create applications for the G1. Users can download apps using a feature called Android Market. The phone will retail for $179, lower than the entry-level price for Apple's iPhone and cheaper than expected as Google takes on an already cluttered mobile marketplace. Maggie Reardon is a senior writer with CNET Networks. She says from a hardware perspective, the G1 is not a game changer, but the software could shake things up.
There were some analysts predicting that this was going to take 4% market share by the end of the year, and I don't know. We'll have to see. I think it really comes down to how cool the software is and the functionality of the phone.
The phone launches October 22nd in the U.S., in November in the U.K., and across several countries in Europe in Q1 of 2009. Analysts target 400,000 G1s to sell this year, but with skepticism fairly high right now, that's a bet that may take some time to pay off. Diane King, Reuters, New York.